Have you ever been really bored but there's nothing to do? And you're really hungry but there's nothing really yummy to eat? Well, you don't have to worry anymore if you make my homemade peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. You get the fun of making them and they're delicious to eat. The ingredients you will need are baking powder, peanut butter, non-stick cooking spray or parchment paper, chocolate chips, 2 sticks softened butter, sugar, eggs, flour, brown sugar, salt, baking soda, and plastic wrap. Next, make sure to gather these baking essentials: measuring cups, a large bowl, a mixing spoon, 1 metal tablespoon, and 1 or 2 cookie sheets. Get all of your materials and ingredients together before you start. Let's get baking. Start by packing 1 cup of brown sugar into your measuring cup. Make sure to break up any clumps after you have emptied it into your mixing bowl. Next, add 1 cup of white sugar in with the brown sugar. Stir them together until they are well blended. Now for the most important ingredient, and my personal favorite, peanut butter. Mix in 1 cup of peanut butter. Make sure you stir it well. Be careful with this next ingredient. Cracking 2 eggs into a bowl can be tricky. You don't want to get any eggshells in your cookie dough. As you're mixing, you will notice your cookie dough getting thicker. After mixing in your eggs, take your bag of all-purpose flour and measure 2½ cups into your bowl. Baking powder is our next ingredient. You will need 1 teaspoon. The next item on our list is 1½ teaspoon baking soda. Everyone should have this ingredient in your fridge to keep out odors. Just a pinch of salt will do. Half a teaspoon of salt to be exact. Soften 2 sticks of butter and fold them into your mixture. This will take a little bit of time to stir. If you are having a hard time mixing, you can get an adult to help you use a power mixer. Once you finish mixing all of those ingredients together, it is important to chill the cookie dough in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then spray your cookie sheets with non-stick cooking spray to keep your cookies from sticking and breaking apart. As an alternative, you can use parchment paper. Use your metal tablespoon to scoop out your dough balls. You want them all to be the same size so they bake evenly. Fill the cookie sheet with dough balls, leaving room for the cookies to grow. They will probably double in size while they bake. After filling the sheet, flatten each dough ball using your metal spoon. Add as many delicious chocolate chips as you would like to complete your cookies. If there is any more dough left in your bowl, you can use a second cookie sheet to fill that one up too. Repeat until there is no dough left in the bowl. When all of the dough is gone, you can place your trays in the oven and let them cook for 7 to 10 minutes or until they start to brown. Be sure to use oven mitts or pot holders so you don't burn yourself. When they are done cooking, take them out and let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure you turn your oven off. After they finish cooling, move them onto a plate or tray. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your delicious sweet treat. If you want to make these cookies even better, you can sprinkle extra sugar on top. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your delicious homemade peanut butter chocolate chip cookies.